All right, y'all. We taking Luis's shirt. Gonna go get it mailed off. Hope you enjoy it, bro. Thank you for subscribing. Thanks for the love. Thanks for all the support. Truly appreciate it. Stay tuned for way more content coming up. Y'all, we just rolled up. We got the Civic. Got all of Duke City tuners. Get the hell out of the way. Oh, shit. Hey, are you grumpy or what?
Me?
Yeah.
I got allergies.
I run out and like I didn't want to jump in there. Deal with this.
Say what's up to the channel, Don.
What's up, chat? On today's episode, we fucked up. We got an asshole parked out front. Risky and all.
Got this guy. Sheesh, brother! Jesus Christ. Jesus, look at this. What the hell, brother?
Did you see that car? He's coming out this way. He go, wait.
Puppies.
Pass the blunt, bro. I need that.
Shut the hell up. You don't do that
it's
shit.
11. It's 11 to.
To me for like the past 2 weeks.
Same.
She didn't even, she runs her shirt.
What up, y'all? It's Saturday. There's a Cars and Coffee meet out at Sandia BMW, so we're gonna go peep that out. Stopping by to spray the car off. It's been sitting in the garage, got a little dusty, a little bit of brake dust on the wheels. Sprayed them up real quick, letting them soak, and then I'll go ahead and power wash it, dry it up, and we'll head out. All right, let's do this. All right, y'all. Cleaned up, creased up, from the feet up. You know how we do. Out at the SpeedFam factory, y'all. Shit's looking soft, my guy. All right, let's go ahead and head out to Cars and Coffee. See y'all there. All right, y'all, we out here. You know, we got the crew rolling deep. Anthony here. Brand new installed turbo kit. Got Nick, Jasmine. R32. Fire's house.
This only has a winner.
Jesus. Damn. It's hotter than a mofo out here, y'all. Sandia Cars and Coffee. Pretty lit. 911. Look at that sticker price though, y'all. Alright, we're gonna go roll out, go to Fuddruckers, get a burger. Starving Marvin over here, y'all. Oh, what the hell? Where's the steering wheel? Where's the steering wheel? Two completely different worlds, bro. God damn. How are you gonna drive like that, bro? You look like a bus. Here, over here, all. See, rev it up a little bit. Just one little burst. Coming to Fuddruckers with the gang, y'all. We're rolling deep. My car sticks out like a damn sore thumb.
Yeah,
I don't know how to use these cameras.
All right, y'all, I had to go home, sleep for a little bit. Got the crew back. What's up with that sky in the background, y'all?
Storm. Storm.
Alright, y'all, that's gonna do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed Cars and Coffee this morning. Hope you guys enjoyed kicking it with the crew a little bit. Nice little bit of drone footage that we got there. Duke City Tuners up and coming crew. We're gonna have a lot more meets. We're gonna try to put on a few shows. Stay tuned for what's next. Thank you guys for subscribing. We're at 800 plus subscribers, looking to get up to 1,000. Can't wait to get there. Just need to get that watch time up. So if you can, share this video, like this video, comment on this video, and let everybody know that Albuquerque's getting put on the map, yo. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay loved. We'll see you guys again the next time.